Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to send Bitcoin on Guarda Wallet. Sending Bitcoin on your Guarda Wallet is a straightforward process. Here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch or open your Guarda Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your wallet by entering your wallet's password. Once you are signed into your wallet main homepage, from the Wallets page, tap on the Bitcoin option or the BTC option from the list. Soon after you tap on it, you will be able to see this wallet details screen. Tap on the Send button appearing at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now, enter the recipient details such as the Bitcoin address of the recipient and then the amount of Bitcoin you are willing to send. Soon after you do that, under Advanced Options, tap on the Include Fee option in order to choose a different transaction fee level. If you want higher fees lead to faster confirmations, so if you want to do that, you can enable this Include Fee option. If you don't want to include it, simply disable the toggle or just leave it as it is and tap on Continue at the bottom. Follow through the prompts till the end, enter your Guarda PIN to authenticate the transaction, and once authenticated, your Bitcoin will be sent, and you'll see a confirmation screen with the transaction detail. So, that's how easily you can send Bitcoin on Guarda Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.